If you get a lead, do something with it. So what I'm about to show you is how to make sure you do something with it, okay? And how to set this up for your clients. First things first, create that new search, give it a name, the website, the maximum quantity of leads per day. That is step one in our program. We hit intent search, give it a name, tell it how many maximum leads per day you're willing to pay for, and then pop the website in. That is step one. Now, step two, set a tag on that list. In my saved lists, there it is. It's called my website. Just literally go up here into the little three dots, click on tags and source, and pop a tag in here. Now your tag can be whatever you want it to be, and click on save. Our third step is install that pixel. So all I need to do is click on the list that I created, go up into the top right-hand corner to settings, click that, and I'll get my pixel. Copy that. Okay. Head on over to your CRM, go to the funnel that you're looking for, all right? Go to settings and go into the header tracking code section and put it here. Right click, paste. I've just done my third step, okay? Now, this is where I need you guys to be super smart. Set up a workflow. I'll show you how to do it. We come to AI tools. We come down to AI agent workflow in the top right-hand corner. Click on new, give it a name. Okay, but at this point, you only need two steps. Two steps. Oh, balloons. The first step is, so when anybody comes into that new list I just created looking for leads from my pixels, I want to do something. So drag this onto my canvas. That is step one. Choose the right list that I just created and make sure when any new leads are added to that list, my workflow will trigger. Okay. And the second step is, and then come all the way down to the bottom and send it to my CRM. And you're done. Two steps. That's it. When any leads come on the list, add them to my CRM. Done. Okay. Click on save and click on publish. Make sure it's live. So I've already ticked off the fourth step. And then the final step is set up a workflow in the CRM to action the lead when it comes in. So my final step in the process is over in our automations, over in our very favorite CRM program in the whole wide world, whatever that might be, Black Friday, white label suite, list follow-up. As much as this looks like scary, this is simple. Remember that tag we set up on the list? We said, step two, set up a tag. So we've set up a tag on one of ours, which is called Be Friday Intent. When they come onto my site, wait a little bit and double check. Are they a client? If they are already a client, well, then they'll be in the client workflows. Take them out of this one, right? So stop the follow-up. Don't do anything. We won. Are they a current customer? No. Well, then I better follow them up. Do they have a phone number? Yes. Then send them an email and a text message. Do they have a phone number? No. Then just send them an email. All right. And that's it. Let me check my my checklist here, because I feel like it's too simple. Create a search, add a tag, put the pixel on the site, set up a workflow making sure the leads go to my CRM, and when they get there, set up a workflow that follows them up. And then I love this step. Celebrate and grow with your client. Yay!